camera will last, but let's give it a go.
I'm loving the green UAP that's there.
Oh, I took off in mid. How? First time. Works in mid as well. There you go. Get a little bit more power. Let's try another loop. Oh, nice. I think I left the elevator on a little bit too long. Nice. That was better. One way and the other way. The rudder's pretty good on it too. I have to learn some other manoeuvres. If you have any ideas of what I should do or a plane I should try, I shall think about it. But at the moment, this is doing me really good. I'm even daring to try and go lower. Right over my head. Thought I was going to die then. What was going to get me? I was about to go, ah! But I didn't. I did then, but...
These green UAPs are pretty cool.
Maybe I was going a little bit too low. Look at that in that sunshine. Doesn't it look cool? Oh, sorry. Sun in the camera. That's bad. Bad cameramanship or something, whatever it's called. The propellers on this are quite difficult to get on and off. You have to be quite forceful. It worries you, think you're going to break it. But it's been okay. Oh, completely lost it in the sun then. All bad filming. Sounds like it's rubbing on something or something. Maybe there's a bit of grass stuck in it still. That seems to be affecting it at all. It's still looping nicely and doing those really tight turns that it does. Oh, sorry, going in the sun again. I'm useless. Can't see a thing now. Sun glare. Well, I'm in southern England, Bedfordshire. For all you people that aren't, and those that are, ha ha ha, I've got somewhere really good to fly. I've been watching some videos of other planes and they look scary, the faster ones. But this will do me for now, I think. Unless people had come up with a really good idea for me. Whoa. Shall I try going in advance? Let's go high. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's doing something strange. It's going to beginner. I don't know what that was. It started rolling and flipping and stuff. Let's go back into mid. Right, it really is trying to loop. That's in. It's doing its own thing. Right, I'm going back into beginner. I don't know what it's doing there. I put it in advanced and it started flying itself. That was weird. I advanced again and it just does that. Right, it's just trying to loop all the time. Oh, it's now doing stunts that I'm not doing. Right, back into beginner mode. I've got no clue what that's doing in advance. Maybe I should leave that alone.
Anyone with any ideas or thoughts about what's going on with that advanced mode, let me know.
He just started trying to loop. So advanced is weird. I don't know what it's doing. It was just trying to loop. Unless that's the problem I've got in the normal one, which is making it pull up. Don't know. I'll try once more. Look, going advanced and it instantly pulls up. And I can't make it go level. That's still advanced. I've had to push down quite a bit. Oh, oh, I did a barrel roll without meaning to. So I'm not certain what's going on there. Seems to be getting quite a lot of battery time. I don't know how long it's been there. Let's bring it back round. I've been a little bit far away from the camera, haven't I? Because I was doing it on advanced, or trying to. It didn't work very well. He just tried to loop, which is very weird. I'll switch it on it and it goes straight up. How weird. Right, that's advanced again.
Well, the camera battery decided to die right then. I've no idea what was happening with advanced mode. Maybe it's me, but I don't think so. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.